So I was in the process of removing the valve train and, ew, gross. So watch this. I was wondering why I couldn't get this thing to run right. That ought to do it. This thing ran with a bent push rod for a long time. All right.
Oh my God!
Here we go. This is the one that bent. We got valve to piston contact right there and right there. Look at that.
Brother, what's that?
Okay. What am I hooked on here? Oh, that guy put that wire on. Sorry, got a little carried away. Bottom end looks good. Turns by hand. Cam came out. It was really stuck. All the lifters suck. But yeah, looks like the motor survived, or engine, sorry. Looks like the engine survived. We're gonna save it.